got guarana in his Monster Energy. I checked the label.
Do you want
Welcome
this,
back to the
the
Mountain
lid
Morning
underneath that?
Show. I don't know if you know this, but Saturday is International Coffee Day, although some sources say it might be Monday. But regardless, we are going to be ready to celebrate. I'm here with Letty Flatt of Letty's Kitchen to talk all about coffee. So tell us more.
Talk about coffee. We're talking about coffee, caffeine, and better than chocolate, which is a all-natural energy bar that's ready to take on coffee.
I love it. So there's no coffee in this product?
No, in this I'm going to make a smoothie with this French roast flavor, but it's made with a decaffeinated coffee extract.
So the coffee flavoring, but not the actual coffee.
Right, and the coffee energy from 2 South American plants that are known as natural stimulants.
So it has natural caffeine in it?
Right, exactly. It's guarana is one, and that's a berry from South America that the natives used for years and years as a energy boost while they hunted.
No, I've heard of it.
Yeah, it's in our cameraman's soda.
Hey, Rob, eating your soda. You're doing the right thing. Yeah.
Well, I brought Shannon on to join us for this interview. She is a coffee expert, right?
Not a coffee expert. I drink it every day, though, so.
She drinks it more than I do. I don't drink coffee, so I want to have a good comparison to try this new product. I'm going to get out of your way, Letty, if you want to go ahead and show us your recipe.
The smoothie. So I'm Letty from Letty's Kitchen, and Letty's Kitchen is a food blog with vegetarian and healthy recipes. So that's
great.
So I love this bar because it is a healthy, natural alternative with caffeine from the guarana to substitute. So first thing in this smoothie is a half a banana, and I love frozen bananas, so I stuck it in the freezer last night. And then it gets a scoop of your favorite protein powder, and this is mine. It's a vanilla protein that has 20 grams of protein per scoop.
Oh, nice.
And then I'm using a non-dairy milk. And if you like sweet, do you like sweet?
I like sweet. Do you like sweet?
We could taste it with or without, but you can put agave. Nope, it's going in.
All right.
Go for it.
We're down.
Agave syrup
This is your
or
recipe.
maple
You
syrup.
make it happen.
I'm trying to keep it plant-based because these bars are plant-based and they're gluten-free.
Oh, wow.
And they come in 4 delicious flavors: dark chocolate cranberry, dark chocolate mint, and dark chocolate coconut, and we're going to use the French roast.
Where can you get these bars? Are they available everywhere? Or?
No, you have to right now. You have to order them on Amazon, Amazon.com, and also because they come from the Amazon area, guarana.
That's convenient.
Amazon.com, and also you can order them direct from Better Than Coffee,
Oh, great.
which is the name of these bars.
Nice.
So they're taking on coffee. We'll see how much noise that makes.
Cover your microphone, everyone. Cover your microphone.
Yeah.
And a cup of ice cubes.
So a pretty simple recipe you can make in the morning quickly before you go out the door, work, school, whatever you're doing. Get your energy for the day.
The bars are beautiful because you can carry it. You have coffee, you have a natural energy stimulant with you all the time because it's in your purse or your backpack.
Yeah.
And one of these bars has 100 milligrams of caffeine, which is equal to coffee.
Wow,
But
that's
it's
impressive.
Yeah.
If you never drink coffee at all, though, it'll probably make you jittery.
Well, they say
Might be too much for me, right?
Start with a half a bar. So if you split this shake. Okay, you guys ready?
Okay, we're ready. Let's blend it up. Oh. Let's see if it will blend.
It will.
Here we go.
This is a good tasting recipe because you can also make it with regular coffee. But we want Better Than Coffee because we're taking on coffee.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Do you think it's ready?
She said you could also make this with coffee.
So if you want to celebrate International Coffee Day with coffee, the actual coffee, you could put in some coffee grounds, I guess, or
No, real coffee.
just dump it in.
It's cold coffee instead of the ice cubes. Oh boy, you're getting some Better Than Coffee bar in here.
So it's like a smooth. It's like a.
I call it a smoothie.
Yeah.
Right? It's a shake. Take a shake. You guys want to taste?
Yeah, it looks delicious. And Shannon, you're gonna have to let us know how it compares to your iced coffee.
And then
I do like iced coffee.
You try it first.
Chicken.
I might get a little too jittery. I'm gonna try it. All right.
They said
It's delicious. Doesn't taste like coffee to me at all, but it's delicious.
It's very good. Yeah, very mild. And
I like it
Oh, I
too.
love it. That's great.
But the big deal is, what's most cool to me is that you can carry it with you. So when you need a natural energy boost that's not coffee, doesn't spill.
Very convenient.
These are also taking on 5-hour energy, I'm guessing, too.
A lot. There's a lot of energy
They're
products out there.
fighting all kinds of people.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So, and then the other ingredient in these, besides the guarana, which is the berry from South America, is another plant from South America. It's called maca. And it is proven to reduce and regulate stress levels while at the same time giving you a boost of energy and stamina.
Now that I like.
Up here.
I'll take the
Physical
maca,
energy
please.
and mental energy.
Well, I am sold.
Yeah.
This is great. Now, Letty, you were the executive pastry chef at Deer Valley for 30 years. That's incredible.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about that.
I loved it. I baked. I ran at the very end. I mostly managed 3 bakeries, but I still love making desserts. My favorite thing is ice cream.
Oh, really? Ice cream.
That's why she
They
likes
make
these.
ice
It's
cream
very
at the
similar.
Mariposa. And ice cream at Rail Street, homemade ice cream, sorbets.
Well, I'm sure they're still using some of your recipes and techniques
Oh,
up there at Deer
yeah.
Valley. 30
Yeah.
years is a long time.
Yeah.
What are you doing now?
I have a food blog. It's called Letty's Kitchen. There's my card.
Letty's Kitchen Food
And
Blog.
it's mostly plant-based, a lot of gluten-free, vegetarian recipes for free.
For free. I looked at it last night in preparation for this interview. It's a beautiful website and a great blog. I'm excited to try some of your recipes and to try this for International Coffee Day.
Absolutely.
What's the verdict, Shannon? Did we ever get there?
Oh, I'd drink it. Absolutely. I'm not sure I'd give up coffee. I might just be doubled up on my caffeine, but it's really, really good.
So in the afternoon, when you want a more steady eddy, better than coffee.
That 3 o'clock hit.
Yeah, exactly.
Take one of these?
Don't get
Yeah.
another cup of coffee.
yeah.
Just eat a
Yeah.
better than coffee.
Actually, it's better because I can't do coffee in the afternoon. So this, one
It's
of those
perfect.
would be perfect.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Letty, for joining us.
welcome.
You guys are ready to celebrate International Coffee Day whenever it is. And check out these bars. I know
Yeah.
we're going to check it out. And
Amazon.
Amazon.
Yeah, and they're ready to take on coffee, so it's a great thing.
Yeah.
Carry it in your purse.
Thanks again. We have so much coming up here on the Mountain Morning Show. You're not going to want to miss a thing. We'll be right back after these short messages.